Enter for a chance to win a big box of crayons, a set of watercolors, and an artist's pad of paper. Send pictures to refrigerator123@gmail.com. Every picture is an entry, so the more pictures you send, the more of a chance you have to win. Hi everyone, welcome back to the refrigerator. Today we are going back to New York City to visit with my friend, Miss Fontanez, who's going to be reading from her refrigerator in Brooklyn, New York.
Hi friends, I'm so excited to be on the refrigerator today. My name is Miss Fontanez and I'm going to be reading you the book called Little P. This book is by Amy Krouse Rosenthal. This is the story of Little P, Mama P, and Papa P. Little P was a happy little guy. He liked to do a lot of things. He liked rolling down hills, for example, super fast. He liked hanging out with his pea pals. He liked it when Papa P came home at the end of the day. Papa P would fling Little P off of a spoon, high into the air, and Little P would scream, "Again, again!" At bedtime, Little P very much liked snuggling with Mama P and hearing stories about what Mama P was like when she was a little P. But there was one thing that Little P did not like. Candy. That's what you had to eat for dinner every single night when you're a P. Candy, candy, candy. Monday, red candy. Tuesday, orange candy. Wednesday, yellow candy. Thursday, purple and pink polka dotted candy. Friday, striped candy. Saturday, swirly candy. Sunday, rainbow candy. But Little P hated all of it. If you want to grow up to be a big, strong P, you have to eat your candy, Papa P would say. If you don't finish your candy, then you can't have dessert, Mama P would say. How many pieces do I have to eat? Eat 5 pieces and you could have dessert. 5 pieces? He whined. 5 pieces, they chimed. 1, yuck. 2, oof. 3, pluck. 4, bleh. 5 pieces of candy. Now I could have dessert. Yes, now you could have dessert, said Mama and Papa P. Little P couldn't wait to see what it was. Spinach, squealed Little P. My favorite. Little P licked his dessert plate clean. Yum, yum, yum. And they lived happily ever after. The end. I think Little P got it wrong. I love candy, and I'm sure you guys do too. So for today's activity, we're going to draw Little P and his family. So I have a pencil, a black marker, and then if you want, you can use colors to color in Little P or his mouth, but you don't have to use colors. And then the most important thing is I got 3 different sized bowls, since I'm not very good at drawing circles. And we're going to use these bowls for the bodies of Little P's family. So I'm going to start out with Little P first, and I'm going to trace him on my paper. Okay. Then I'm going to do Papa P and Mama P, and I'm going to go over in black marker so you guys can see it. So after you've traced your bowls, go over it in a black marker so that you can see it. There's Little P, Mama P, and Papa P. And now we have to do their eyes, their lips, and eyelashes. So if you turn to a page, I usually like to use pages for references. So that's what we're drawing. So I'm going to give Papa P a mouth and 2 eyes. And I'm going to give Mama P a mouth and 2 eyes. And then Little P. Now, Mama P has eyelashes on her eyes, so I'm going to add some eyelashes. And Little P has some freckles and a colored in mouth. And there's his family. Now, if you wanted to color it in green, you can, but I didn't. So, thanks for having me on Refrigerator. Bye!
Enter for a chance to win a big box of crayons, a set of watercolors, and an artist's pad of paper. Send pictures to refrigerator123@gmail.com. Every picture is an entry, so the more pictures you send, the more of a chance you have to win.
Trouble grows like weeds up from the ground. But who said